Y'all, listen, I know I look a mess, but I'm about to look real nice in a minute. I started to do my face and then I just stopped and I was like, let me just do the intros first. Now, I have a wig today that I have been wanting so bad to try because if it's cute, it's cute. And I'm gonna tell you why I'm so excited about this. I'm excited because I ghost bought from HerGivenHair. I ghost bought. Remember when I ghost bought there? I think it's called Bossy Bob or something like that. And it completely, like, y'all was loving that. Y'all and I. It was the best because, listen, let me tell you something. HerGivenHair is very high quality hair, which means the price is, it can get up there. It's not the highest that I've worked with.
But if it darn sure ain't the lowest, okay?
So you want to know that you getting a bang for your buck and you can keep these wigs for years. That's the truth. So when I ghost bought from them, I was like, yes, thank you, Jesus, because I love their wigs. That was just kind of one that I wanted to do just for the price range of it all. Not because I have heard so many disparaging remarks, but just because of the price range. I just wanted to, just wanted to be on the safe side. But that wasn't one of the vendors that I was worried about. But I sure was like,
it better come through.
It did. So I'm going to implement color in this video. Temporary color. Why? Because one of y'all asked me to. We are going to be utilizing color wax. Now, what that is a temporary way to add color to your natural hair, your wigs, your weaves, your braids, your baby dolls, whatever it is that you want to do. It's temporary color. This is the thing with color wax. They are not all equal. So I have been on the search and I finally found a color wax that is not only gentle on your hair, because I use it on my natural hair, y'all. It's very gentle. Not only is it gentle and conditioning, it smells great, but one of the biggest attributes of this particular color wax is the transfer. The transfer is so low, y'all. It's like non-existent. When the hair is dry and it dries quickly, it's like the transfer is literally like, I had none. I thought it was me. I said, dang, I don't want to say none because that just seems too good to be true. But I had no transfer. That's all I'm saying. So if you do, it'll be maybe a little bit. I don't know.
I can only speak for myself.
So I'm going to be implementing that with this wig today. And this is a bang bob wig, but it's a HerGivenHair bang bob wig. So you know it's coming with that texture. So let me just tell you, and then we just gonna style it and get to it, but I'm hyped. You have now entered my inner thoughts. So do you remember those promo deets I was telling you about that was loading? Well, right now, there's a sale on the website where you can get $25 off if you buy this wig. Now, on the strength of the cousins, they done bumped it up to $50. That's $50 off of this wig. The coupon code is in the description box, guys. It will only last 7 days. 1 week, okay? Use the coupon code and you're going to get $50 off for my subbies. And the church say amen. Okay, bye. Y'all, my allergies are on 10 million, so my eyes probably look terrible. This wig is called Glam Chic, and it's a kinky blowout texture. It's 12 inches. It comes on a 4x4 lace closure, and you can choose lightly bleached knots or deeply bleached knots. We love bobs over here. If you don't know now, you know. But it's the way HerGivenHair is about to put their spin. I already know it because I know their type of hair. I know what they do. So I'm excited. This spin looks so nat. It better. You already know how HerGivenHair is coming. They are very consistent with the package sauce. Okay, hold on. Let me put the tab up so I can. There we go. Now, bam. HerGivenHair. All right. They give you this wig bag so you do not have to what? Swap. We don't swap our wigs down, especially not a HerGivenHair wig.
No.
Bam, you see that 4x4 closure. Now, 4x4 closure is like very basic. It's not, you have this much space for your parts, but this is a bang wig, so it's not really going to matter too much. The knots are definitely bleached. They're looking scrumptious, dillyumptious. That looks really good. There are 1, 2, 3 combs and an adjustable elastic, but this is like the bra strap adjustable. So you have 3 layers that you can adjust it. But y'all, look at this texture. You see what I was talking about when I said, oh my gosh. Look at this, y'all. Look how thick and pretty this is. Hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun, okay? Let's style this. Hold a minute.